Hello, everyone. I'd like to thank the Climate Bonds Initiative for hosting the inaugural Green Bonds Awards and for inviting me to join you in a low carbon way. I applaud the effort to raise the profile of green bonds and acknowledge leaders in the sector. This is exactly what we need as a follow up to last year's UN Climate Change Conference in Paris. At that conference, as you all know, 195 nations came together and adopted the Paris Agreement, which outlines a vision of development that is both sustainable and climate safe. Friends, at this event, we have an excellent opportunity to spur the financial flows that can make that vision a reality. So much of what we have to do urgently to address climate change and reduce long-term risks to planet and prosperity requires capital. The growing green bond market gives us hope that the necessary capital is already flowing. It is a trend we saw even before the Paris conference last year, and it is a trend that must be amplified and accelerated if we're going to peak the emissions curve as quickly as possible and drive them down to the point where growth is climate neutral. This is the trajectory we must get on, and doing so requires us to consider climate in every facet of the economy. All infrastructure investment must be seen through a climate lens. We must pursue low carbon and high resilience solutions to all our development needs. Friends, investment now gives us the tomorrow we want. Consider the projected energy demands over the next 10 to 20 to 50 years. Investment in renewables now ensures a future where clean energy is everywhere. Investment in low-carbon mobility now ensures that these technologies dominate the future of transportation. The right investments now help communities meet water, food, and energy needs while reducing the risk of disruption due to climate volatility. And we can make these investments in agriculture, low-carbon buildings, and the ITC solutions that enable smart cities. So let me be one of the first to congratulate this year's first ever winners of the Green Bond Awards. You are part of the real, on-the-ground movement that will spur the transformation that spells success for the Paris Agreement. And, typically for me, let me challenge the green bond community alongside the wider financial community to fully commit to turning the vision outlined in the Paris Agreement into reality. We need all financial products to be guided by climate considerations. We need a diverse and robust mix of energy investments that proliferates clean energy across the globe. We need to see capital flow now to the assets and projects that will deliver the future we have to build. And we need you to help make that happen. Let's do it today. Let's do it together. And let's do it to not only provide stable returns, but also a stable future for the generations to come. Congratulations again, and thank you.